Welcome back to TechRams. Today we're going to show you how to set up Do Not Disturb, how to turn it on, and the settings. So on the Xiaomi Mi Watch Lite. So first thing is first, we have it to raise to wake up, but if not, we could always press the button on the side. Let me turn it off. And when we have it on this menu, scroll from the bottom, and here we have Do Not Disturb. So it says DND, Do Not Disturb is on, which means now it won't buzz, it won't vibrate, nothing will happen when we get any calls or something on our phone. So let's go here, turn it off. And also we can go to settings. So for that, we go to the menu, and here we have settings, DND, and you have DND on, and the time duration. So we can even change the start. So the morning for us maybe starts at, let's say 7 in the morning, and we go to sleep around, let's say 11 at night. So yeah, 9, 10, and 10 at night. And we do that. So now DND, Do Not Disturb, starts there. And we can also set up Smart DND, which means it will turn on and off on its own. So when you sleep, it will mute notifications, and that will be on its own. So now if we go from the bottom, we have it off, but it's on the smart one. So that is how you change the settings for the Do Not Disturb on the Xiaomi Mi Watch Lite. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.